I sell paperweights. Look at these things. They got memes on them. I'm cold. My concern is you're gonna be able to see the pen on there. Alright, so this is after finally settling there on the So this is what we look like so far. I'm not sure if it's going to be mirrored on the footage or not. But it's not backwards in real life. I took a picture. I made sure. I was like, this is freaking me out. Yeah, so my camera's mirrored right now. I don't know if the footage gets like flipped in the process. But yeah, I don't like that it's kind of going on an upward slope. But it's permanent. I'm sure I could pick this up. Yeah, it looks like I could pick this off really if I need to. But hey, says Nico. I need to do the little thing, but I'm not going to do it today. I'm just going to clean up this mess and move on. And here we go. So for the triangles, they're all just right triangles. On the dress, there's like blue ones, purple ones, white ones. This will probably be sufficient for the white ones for now. I'm gonna work on some of the purple ones as well.
And after all, there's something perfectly clear. In this life you must endure. Stick with me, you'll find your purpose is near. it won't matter anymore.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is put this over my ironing board. Use a little bit. Just put them all into a pile. So that it's, you know, smoothed out as much as possible. And I'm gonna take that reference picture. I'm sure it won't matter if it's exact. Okay, so for some reason I didn't film literally the rest of this, but I'm just editing it. Look at my face. Anyways, so for this I literally did the same thing, cut the thing, and I got these two colors as well. And then for the last one I have pink from the fabric, and I glued it, I hot glued it on, and it fell off already, so I'm gonna have to fix that. For this, I cut a foam piece into a triangle, and then just kind of wrapped around the vinyl, so it looks a little bit bad. And for these, I just cut the strips to size, and with the same vinyl. I wanted to find like some paper vinyl like this to use for these, but that didn't work out, so just use these. I thought it'd be straighter, but these are pretty straight, so it's okay. And then those are all the little decals. I mean, there's more decals, like on the skirt, like the whole thing is filled with them. But I think I have a good amount, like, and I can always add more, you know. I can't take them away, but I can add more. So there's some. I think the back looks really good. So that's what I did, and that's how I finished that off, and the LEDs are going to be a separate part.